Hi, and welcome to 1 Hour YouTube Pro. In this video, we're going to talk about challenges to building your business and things you may run into when you're building your business. We want to go ahead and address these because these are going to come up, these are inevitable. But using this system, we're going to circumvent these challenges and we're going to build a profitable system very quickly with YouTube. So there's really two main challenges that people face when they're trying to make money online. And you may have noticed this since you've been trying to make money online. I know I've noticed it. We've all had these challenges. But one is time. Really, you just need time to get things done. Okay, there's never enough time in the day. There's never enough time to do everything that we need to do. And not to mention all the distractions out there with cell phones and emails. So really, time is very important, and managing yourself in time is very important. Outsourcing tasks is also very important because you basically multiply your time, and we'll talk about that later. Another challenge is scalability. You always need to be able to grow rapidly. Okay, you need to be able to take something that's working and scale it up. So let's talk about these two in more detail. Well, time is your most precious resource. Okay? Once it's gone, and you can't get it back. And we all know this, okay? So a big challenge for a lot of people is trying to figure out if they're spending their time on the right things. And that's really what a lot of these courses we have for, or really what a lot of these courses are for, is to make sure that you're spending your time doing the most important things in your business. And for this YouTube course, it will be the exact same thing. We're going to tell you exactly what you need to do to utilize this system and then automate this system to save you the most time possible. And then as far as scalability goes, growth requires money and time. Okay, so to grow and to scale up, it takes money and time. And regardless of how much money you have, your time is always limited. So you need to be focusing on the right things. You need to be making, a certain amount of money on a daily basis, and we scale this up by reinvesting in our business. So one of the temptations is when people start making money online to automatically, replace whatever other income they're making with this new online income, which isn't always the best bet, because let's say you have a job where you're making $3,000 a month, and you start making $3,000 a month in your online business. Well, the temptation is to just quit your job because now you're making as much as you were making. However, if you have to take all that money that you're making in your online business to simply live on, and you have nothing to reinvest back into your online business, it's going to be almost impossible to scale it up. You'll have more time, obviously, because you won't be working in your other job. But most people have built profitable online businesses in their spare time, okay? And it's not always about how many hours a day you work. It's about what you do with those hours. So here we're going to take the money that we're making, we're going to reinvest in our business, and we're going to work smart hours. And that's how we're going to scale up. That's how we're going to get the most out of our time, and that's how we're going to grow our business by reinvesting.